What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Lego Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. And then along the top we're going to add a small circle for our highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's move to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to come down and then out towards the side of the cheeks. Let's round out the cheek, coming around and then in. And then we want to round out the bottom of the chin. We're going to come down from the left, go across, and then up. Let's shift the mouth over towards the left side. So up here we're going to add a bracket. And then from the center of the bracket we're going to curve the mouth, coming down and then in. Now we're going to go back to the top of the nose, step up and draw a small half circle, coming down and up for the brow. Now on the left side, I'm going to curve the eye. We're going to go up, go around the top of the eye, bend this down, then in on top of the cheek. Now let's go to the right side and do the same thing. We're going to go up towards the same height, come all the way around the eye, and then bend that in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, coming all the way down, and then back up. And we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each eye. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to go up to the top and enhance the brow with a curve. Starting on the outside, we're going to follow the curve of the eye going up. And we'll bend that down on the inside. Line that up on the right. Now we're going to line up with the outside of the brow, step up, draw the ear. We're going to go up and then in. Line it up on the right side. Round out the tip of the ear, come in and then down. Let's trace the ears along the inside, starting from the outside going up, bending that down, and we'll curve the bottom of the ear. Now we're going to add that point across the top of the head, starting from the inside left ear, then this up and in towards the middle, round this out, come down at an angle towards the right ear. Now we're going to go to the side of the head and draw on the bottom spike. From the outside left eye, step out, curve this out, and then down, and then line this up on the right, going out, and then down. Let's round out that spike, come in towards the cheek, and we're going to fill in this gap with another spike. Let's start from the side of the ear, then it's out, and then down. Round out that spike, and then bend that in behind, leaving a little overlap on the top. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the top of the body. Starting over on the left, we're going to come across just underneath the chin, then out towards the side. Now from the side of the shoulders, angle this down, and then out towards the bottom of the body. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. From the bottom corners of the body, we'll step in. Just going to round out the barrel of the hips, going out and then back in. And close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go to the center of the body. We're going to draw two lines coming down. So we're going to move over to the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the feet. It's right about there. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's go down to the bottom corners of the barrel, draw two straight lines. We're just going to line this up. Those inside lines, and we'll close off the bottom of the feet with a straight line. Now from the bottom of the foot, let's step up, draw a straight line going across the top of the feet, move up and draw another line with a cuff. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. Right here it's going to bend the arm going out and then down, just lining up with the bottom edge of the body. On both sides. Let's round out the wrist. We'll go out and then bend that up. Let's follow this curve along the top. We're going to go up, I just want to bend this in towards the side of the body. And then we're going to tuck the hands in underneath the wrist. Starting on the outside, we're going to draw a half circle, going out and then in. We'll leave a gap across the bottom. Go to the inside of the wrist, curve in the opposite direction. Let's round up the tip of the hands, going back out. And we'll trace the hand along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the inside curve, then the outside. Round up the tip of the hands, and then round up the inside. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. We're going to step up, just follow that same curve coming in. Now I want to move to the center of the body. We're going to add that patch. Starting from the top, we're going to step down. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around and up towards the top. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Lego Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.